Hello children, I welcome you all for our next video session. In this video, we are going to see about chapter 1 for class 6 numbers. This video will help you to solve sums from exercise 1.1.
Let us now see about Indian system. This slide will show you the place value chart of Indian system. The periods of Indian system are 1,000, lakh and crore. There are 4 periods. So now let us see the places under each period. The ones period consists of 3 places, namely ones, tens, hundreds. And the 1000 period consists of 2 periods, 1000 and 10,000. The places under lakhs period are lakh and 10 lakh. And under crore period it is crore and 10 crore. So only the ones period will have 3 places and the remaining 3 periods will have only 2 places. Now let us see about international system. The periods under international system are 1,000, million and billion. So here also we have 4 periods. The places under each periods are under ones period, the places are ones, tens, hundreds. Under 1000 period, OTH stands for 1000, 10,000, 100,000. And 100 million, it is 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. Under billion, it is 1 million, 1 billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. In this slide, we are going to see about placing the commas under Indian system. So for that we will note down all the places of Indian system. Children, do you know the places of Indian system? Yeah, the places are ones, tens, hundreds, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. The commas will be placed in between the periods. The commas will be placed in between the periods. I have denoted each period with different colors. Okay, let us see an example. The given example is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2, 1. Let us place the commas in Indian system for this given number. Write down the number and from your right corner, start placing the last 3 digit under ones period and the next 2 under 1000 period and the next 2 under lakh period and the remaining digit under crore period. So the commas will be placed in between the periods. So I have denoted the commas in red color. Now let us see under international system. The places under international system are ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000, 100,000, 1 million, 10 million, 100 million, 1 billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. So the commas will be placed in between the periods. So I have mentioned different colors for each period. So the commas will be placed in between the periods. So now let us see an example. The given example is 7, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. These are the given digits. Now we will place these digits. Now start from your right corner. The first 3 digits will be placed under ones period and the first comma will be placed before the ones period and the second 3, 4, 5. These three digits will be placed under thousand period and the second comma will be placed before 5 and the next three digit will be placed under million period and the third comma will be placed before 8. So the last digit belongs to billion. Now let us read this number. 7,896,543,210. Now we are going to solve exercise 1.1 sum 3. Complete the given order. What is given? 10 crore, crore, 10 lakhs. So what will be the next place? Lakh, 10,000, 1,000, 100, 10 and 1. Now let us move on to the next sum. It is sum number 4. So what is the sum given? How many 10,000 are there in the smallest 6-digit number? How many 10,000s are there in smallest 6-digit number? Now let us write down the smallest 6-digit number first. The smallest 6-digit number is, what is the smallest 6-digit number? Yeah, it is 1 lakh. 1 followed by 5 zeros. Now let us write the 10,000 in numeral. So the 10,000 we have written in numeral. Now we are going to divide these two numbers. Write down these two numbers in fraction. Strike out the number of zeros. 4 zeros from numerator and 4 zeros from denominator gets cancelled, and what is remaining? 10. So there are 10,000. How many children? Will move on to our next sum. Using the digit 5, 2, 0, 7 and 3 form the largest 5-digit number and the smallest 5-digit number. So let us write down the given digits 5, 2, 0, 7, 3. So these are the given digits. Using this, first we will form the largest 5-digit number. So for largest, we have to place these digits in descending order. So the largest among these digits is 7 followed by 5, 3, 2 and 0. So the largest 5-digit number is 75,320. Now we will write this in ascending order. So while writing in ascending order, you will get the answer as 02357. 02357. So when we write 0 as our first digit, the 0 has no value. So this number will become 4-digit number. But they are asking us to find 5-digit, smallest 5-digit number. So the 0 must be placed in second as second digit. So the answer is 20,357. Observe the commas and write down the place value of 7. Number 1, 56 crore 74 lakhs 56,345. It is in Indian system. And the second number 567,456,345. It is in international system. So first we will write down the place value of 7 for the first one. Write the 7 and after 7 there are 6 digits. So add 6 zeros and we have to read this number as 70 lakhs. Okay, we will write the place value for the second number. It is in international system. The place value of 7 is 7 and add 6 zeros. So the number is 7 million. Next sum. Write the following placing numbers in the international system by using commas. So just you have to write down the number and you have to place the commas. First sum 3, 4, 7, 0, 5, 6 is the given number. First write down the given digits and from the right corner place the first comma after 3 digits. So we can read this number as 347,056. And the second sum 7, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. So this is a given number. Write down the digits and from your right corner place the commas. So the first comma will be placed in between 5 and 6 and the second comma will be placed in between 7 and 3. So after 3 digits we have to place the comma. So the number can be read as 7,345,671. And the third sum, this is a given number. So write down the digits and from the right corner after 3 count place the first comma. So where will you place the first comma? Between 7 and 1. And the second comma will be placed between 4 and 5. So the number, we can read this number as 634,567,105. And the last sum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. This is a given number. Write down all the digits and place the first comma from your right side after 3 digits. So the comma will be placed in between 7 and 8. And the second comma will be placed in between 4 and 5 and the third comma will be placed in between 1 and 2. So this number we can read as 1,234,567,890. Next sum number 8. Write the largest 6-digit number and put the commas in Indian as well as in international system. Children, tell me which is the largest 6-digit number? So largest means we have to write in the form of nines. Here it is 6 digits, so we must write 6 nines. And in Indian system, place the comma as we see in our previous slide. So we can read the number in Indian system as 9,99,999 and in international system we can read it as 999,999. Next sum, write the number names for the following numbers in Indian system. Sum number 1. The given number is 7532105. So first, before writing the number names, write down the periods for the digits given. Place the 105 under ones and the next 2 in thousand period and the last 2 in lakhs period. So this can be written as 75,32,105. And the second sum given is 9,75,63,453. So before writing the number name, we will place the digits under the periods. So the last 3 digits in ones period, next 2,000, next 2 lakh and the last is under crore period. So now we will write the number as 9 crore 75 lakhs 63,453. Next sum 10. Write the number names in words using the international system. Now we are going to write in international system. First, divide the digits in their period. So last 3 digits in ones period and the next 3 digits in thousand period. We have to start from our right corner. So this can be written as 345,678. And the second number So again split the digits into the period, the last 3 ones and the next 3000 and the remaining digit is in million period. Okay, we'll read the number. First digit is 8 million and the next is 343,000 and the last is 710. So the next last sum under this heading given 103, 456, 789. Before writing their name, first we have to place the period, last 3 digit, ones period, next 3000 and the last 3 million period. So we'll read the number as 103,456,789. So for ones you should not mention it as ones. So next sum, write the number name in numerals. So they are given in words, we have to write in numerals. So first procedure is to underline the periods. So in first sum the periods are crore, lakh and thousand. I have underlined all the periods. So we have to write all the 4 periods. So how many crore? It is given 2 crore. So write 2 under crore period. How many lakh? 30 lakh. So write 30 under lakh. How many thousand? 51,000. So write 51 under thousand. And how many ones? 980. The second sum, the periods are million, thousand, ones. So how many million? 66 million. How many thousand? 345,000. How many ones? 27. So we have to write it as 0 to 7. The third sum, the periods are million, thousand. So write down the periods as million, thousand and ones. So how many million it is given? 789, 1,213 and ones 456. Our next sum, sum 12. Tamil Nadu has about 26,345 square kilometer of forest land. Write the number mentioned in the statement in the Indian system. So I have denoted the number in red color. Number in words given is 26,345. Now we have to write this in numeral. So what is the period given? 1000. So what will be the next period? Ones. So the 2 periods are 1000 and ones. So how many thousands it is given? 26. So 26, 345. So this is the numeral. This is our last sum of exercise 1.1. The number of employees in Indian Railways is about 10 lakh. It is understood that it is in Indian system. Write this in international system. You must write this 10 lakh in international system. Okay children, now tell me how many zeros are there in 10 lakhs? Yeah, there are 6 zeros in 10 lakhs. So write 1. After 1 you have to write 6 zeros for 10 lakhs. So I have written 10 lakhs in Indian system. Now we have to place the commas in international system for the same number. So I have placed the commas from my right side. First, after 3 zeros from right, place the first comma and the next comma. After 3 digit, place the next comma. So the number is 1 million. Okay children, I hope you would have understood about exercise 1.1. I'll catch you all in our next video. Thank you children.